Alright, I'm going to do a quick video on how to get multiple choice inside of Gleam Exam Study, where you get instant feedback on the multiple choice. So when you click the answer, it'll tell you whether it's right or wrong and give you an explanation right away. So I'm in CPA exam. I don't know if it's any different for the other ones they offer, but this is going to be on the CPA. So this is the first page they take you to, and this is a very difficult website to navigate. It's taken me a little while to figure out how to do it. At first, what you probably will find yourself doing is clicking on one of these chapters here, and you might click on each of these chapters and come in here and take this adaptive quiz. And so I'm just going to click on any one here. We'll click on this one. And to click on the adaptive quiz, you come in here to testing, and you click right here. And this is the way that it doesn't work very well, because you can see here that we have a timer up here and we have 21 questions. And when I click on one of the choices, it doesn't tell me whether it's right or wrong or not. So what we're going to end up having to do is, like an exam, we're going to have to take all 21 questions and then come back at the end when we're burnt out to try to review what we did right or wrong. So I don't like this. I like to know right away. So I'm going to discard this. There is a way to do this. So what we're going to do is, instead of clicking on adaptive quiz, we'll come down to multiple choice question test bank. We'll click launch there, and then we'll see we have a practice exam choice right here. I'll click on this, and this will give us an option to have questions from any group of chapters that we want, and then within those chapters, we can choose subsections within them. So if we want to test on, chapter 5 subsection 2 and chapter 4 subsection 4, we could do that. You're not going to be able to do that the other way. So I'm going to choose just this one right here. I'll come out here and click next. Then it gives you an option to do the standard order or in a random order. I'm going to leave it as random. And then you can also customize the number of questions that are going to be on this thing. I'm going to choose the max though, and then we'll start the exam. Now you're going to see this is going to do it the same way, but so what I'm going to do is I'm going to submit the test, and then it'll take me to the performance area here, and we'll click on the history tab to come to the performance review. Then I'll click the review button down here on the exam. You can see I did click that one in the exam, so it graded that one automatically. But you can see for the ones I didn't click on, there's no indication here. So I can come do these questions just like I normally would, and I'd read it, then I'd make a choice, and it'll tell me immediately whether I got it right or wrong and give me the explanation.